Spoiler, they're Moo-d drama queens. Quick! Guess why cows lie down before rain? A practicing cow yoga. B. Avoiding soggy hooves. C. Wi-Fi password expired. Comment A, B, or C now. It's B. Their hooves are sensitive AF. Translation: Karen, mud is not a skincare routine. But here's the hoof-hearted truth. Their aim is worse than TikTok dances. Imagine playing dodgeball with cinder block shoes. Watch again. Their chaos is utterly iconic. Next, why do goats scream like they're in a boy band?